It was like Christmas morning when I went to the market and saw beet powder. No. Yeah, beet powder. And sweet potato flour. So excited.
You're like a piece of heaven.
First, you will need 1 cup previously steamed white sweet potato.
Like sweet champagne.
And 1 egg.
You got your daddy's ring.
And then some peanut butter. Yum.
Right or wrong, you question
2/3 cup white rice flour.
why the grass is green. Can I stay up late and why do
Then about 1/4 a cup of sweet potato flour.
you cry your big blue eyes?
And a spoonful of the beet powder.
Your point of view, it comes and goes like the changing of the seasons. You got your mama's sunshine. You got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane. And it's bubbling over like a sweet champagne.
Cook at 350 for 8 minutes.
Got your daddy's rain.
So there you go, the beet sweet potato treat. You can feel good about giving your dog something a little extra special. Till next time, bye.
Opinions, girl, you want the world to know. We don't need no Mona Lisa, don't need Dolly or Chagall. You're like a miniature Picasso with your markers on the wall.